Hey guys, Speed1 here, and today, before I get into Animal Jam, I just want to show you my background. I'm going to show you my background, and now to Animal Jam. That's a little bit off. Whoops. Okay, so, yes, hey guys, welcome to Animal Jam! Woo! Sounds like a nice thing. So, my den won't be unlocked for 4 videos now. And then the 5th video, it will be locked. And then after that video, goes, after that video, and then the next 4 videos, my den will be open. So yeah, great things for you guys now. So I'm going to do that because, so you guys can see me more. And you guys can come to my den more, because I get like a couple of fans now and then to subscribe. And then it's like, oh my gosh, fans, subscribers, oh my gosh. So I actually did find a fan. Also, I want to give a shout out to her, because she actually gave me a free rare diamond shop spike collar. And yeah. Let me just tell him, so he doesn't get. Okay, she must have logged off, but I knew it. Okay, but so yeah, and so the spikes are gone out of stores. I have 21 diamonds because I bought 25 diamonds, and then I bought the pixelated den for 5. So now I'm saving up diamonds for, stuff, items, whatever. And still I don't know what this is worth. And I think our username's in my notifications. Hold on. BRB, guys. I just clicked on this bell and this popped up. Okay. Why is this always off? BRB, guys, I have to open a new tab then. Okay, so I found her. She is my buddy because she asked me to buddy her. So yeah, I'm gonna actually go check out her den because I think it's gonna be cool. Okay, it's not that cool, but yeah. Oh, she got a hippo. She has a hippo. Oh, that's cute. Oh, it's playing in the water. That's cute. Yeah, I'll probably give this 9 out of 10, actually. Mac, since if you're watching this video, then yeah. Whoa, that's cool when you do that. That is cool. Okay, that is really cool. Look at that. That's cool. Ding 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 ding. Okay, so enough messing around with stuff. But I'm not painting though. I'm just gonna leave that there. I'm gone. See ya. Bye. Just pretend I was never here. Okay, that painting was a little bit weird, but okay. But still, give it a 9 out of 10. So, yeah. And I don't know what to do in this video, so I'm gonna go play some Eagle Adventures. BRB, guys. Okay, green. Maria says, Okay, what does Maria say now? Nothing. Yay. BRB, guys. Silver. Wait. It's like he's staring at you like, you wanna mess with me? Oh, punk, you wanna mess with me? I'm gonna eat you. Eat your face. Family. uh, werewolves, man. But there are no werewolves in real life. Maybe not. May never know. Okay, but yep, stay up. Oh my gosh. This is why I pause the video every time. Because of the lag that I have to go through. I don't know what I'm saying, like Wisteria Moon. It's what you have to go through. I'm sorry. If you guys don't like that, then comment down below saying, stop Wisteria, stop saying, stop saying Wisteria Moon. No, I'm just kidding. If you don't want to hear me say it, say stuff in Wisteria Moon's voice, then say hashtag stop saying stuff in Wisteria Moon's voice. But the moon has to be capitalized though. Because I want it to. JK. You don't have to if you don't want to. Actually, you guys can capitalize it if you want to or not. So, if you guys like the so yeah, voice, just don't comment at all. Just leave a like. If you leave a like, then okay, then I'd be okay with that, happy. Okay. So what I'm gonna go do is I'm gonna go get some chicken. I'm gonna be right back. I'm gonna eat the chicken. No, just kidding. I'm going to go over there and get some chicken. I'm gonna come back, heat up the chicken, and record again while eating chicken. Yay! I'm probably gonna grab like 3 or 4 pieces of chicken. So BRB, guys. Alright, so I missed 2 recording spaces. So yellow was this tux, and green was this pirate sword, golden pirate sword, and that's in stores. And I got myself chicken, some chicken, chicken. Get into this chicken. Okay, let's move on. BRB, guys. Okay, blue clarinet. BRB, guys. Oh, never mind. So, everybody, I'm munching on some chicken right now. But, I'm gonna end this video here. So, yeah. Just, actually, hold on. Let's get a smoothie before I end this video. Hold on. Hold on, I can do this. I can do this trick. Error. It got some of it though. Oh, oh, there it goes, there it goes. No! Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, so. Oh my god. Well, that's the new jammer, so it doesn't matter. That's the jammer that tried to buddy me. Okay, so I'm ending the video here. Hope you guys enjoyed. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!